What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today, we are going to be going over the apps that I have on my Shopify store. I got a few questions about what apps I may be using on my Shopify store. So I figured, why not make a video just so you guys can see. If you want to know, stick around. If you don't, go ahead and watch some more of my videos. All right, we'll get into it right after this intro. Alright guys, so what you're looking at right now is my Shopify store and the apps I currently have. The first one on here, the customer privacy, I'm not sure how that got on there, but I don't use it. I've not logged in to use it. The Facebook app I am currently using. You know, you gotta connect Facebook in order to do the whole Facebook ad thing, so that is something that I'm currently using. Klaviyo is an email marketing system. It can house all of your email addresses for you. When you have, if you have people subscribe, at the bottom of your thing, when you have pop-outs or anything like that, you can kick them all to Klaviyo and nicely condense them into, little lists that you can use to market to a specific segment of your email list, or to everybody, to do a blast message about sales, anything like that. This next one is Sales Countup app. That app is used to calculate how much money is being gathered from the sale of my lost in time collection, which is the collection that I use to give back to people who have Alzheimer's or that are caregivers. Viral Sweep is the app that I use to do giveaways. I actually have a video. If you want to go check that out, it is a great way to build up your email list to go into Klaviyo. I'll try to put a card right now to link you to the Viral Sweep video so you can go and check that out. And Vitals, 40 plus apps in one. And they are not joking on the 40 plus apps in one. The reason why I got this is there's so many apps that people recommend, and just looking at the App Store can be overwhelming. There are tons of apps in the App Store, and just kind of trying to go through all of them can be, pretty stressful, especially when you're trying to start up your website. So, with that being said, I found this Vitals app by looking on YouTube for, top apps to get or something like that. And this one came up, and I did my research on it, and I love it. If you stuck around this far, go ahead and hit that like button. That means you like this video. If you're not subscribed and you stuck around this far, that means you like my content. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does help my channel. We're going to end the video now. Here at About Time, we like moving with time, in time. And we hope you do the same. Thank you, and have a great day.